Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are driving on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project road, and it has officially been announced that this road will be called the Right Excellent Paul Bogle Highway in honor of the national hero Paul Bogle. Now, we've said from day one that the name of the project is the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. The road up to this point was not named yet. Now a lot of people, a lot of speculation as to what they would call the road, what name. Some said Bob Marley Highway, some said Andrew Holness Highway, but officially it has been announced that it's going to be the Paul Bogle Highway. Unofficially, it was known some time before from the opening. Okay, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Andrew Holness, says that at the completion of the section of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project that leads to Morant Bay, the roadway will be officially named the Right Excellent Paul Bogle Highway. He made the announcement during his contribution to the 2024-25 budget debate in the House of Representatives. Mr. Holness said the decision is in honor of our national hero who gave his life in the struggle against oppression and injustice in Jamaica. When the chapter in our history is written about St. Thomas, it will show that this administration has done the most for the people of St. Thomas. We have brought roads, water, jobs, industries, and development to what is now the Renaissance Parish, the Prime Minister added. The Harborview to Yalos Bridge leg of the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project was officially opened in February. The 17.4 kilometer roadway has significantly reduced travel time between Kingston and St. Thomas from 45 to 15 minutes. Along with the roadway, there has been the installation of approximately 28 kilometers of water lines, 350 meters of sewer lines, and 17.8 meters of fiber optic ducts, benefiting 348 properties. The government is now focused on completing the Yalos Bridge to Port Antonio and the Morant Bay to Cedar Valley legs of the highway, which will open up the corridor with water, broadband, and sewer lines in some areas, Prime Minister Holness informed. Alright, so that is the end of the update article. So guys, let us know what you think about the official naming of the highway. You can leave your comments in the section below. Now, one thing is for certain, St. Thomas is no longer the forgotten parish. And the people of St. Thomas have Mr. Holness to thank for that in building this road. Alright guys, we will keep you updated as to what's going on with this project. Leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about the naming of the highway. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. We're actually driving past the Grand Spend turnoff now, heading towards 7 Miles Bull Bay. Alright guys, have a good day.